welcome back to a new vlog, and hello September. I'm so excited that fall is officially here. I love the fall season, so getting cozy, wearing sweaters, reading, doing some fall baking. So I'm so excited to hang out with you guys this season and show you what I get up to. I thought I'd pick up the camera today and bring you along because we have a fun day planned with some fall activities. So me, my mom, my grandma, and Kagan are heading to a local farm here called Linton's. They are having their annual corn roast. So it's gonna be delicious because corn is in season, and I'm sure the market is full of like pumpkins and squash and stuff. So we're gonna go check that out and kind of say hi to some of the animals that they have there. And then either before or after, we're gonna go for a nice little nature walk because the trees here are so pretty right now, so I thought that would be nice. All the leaves are turning red and orange and they're falling off the tree already as well. So yeah, I thought it would be nice to get outside today and get our steps in. And then this evening, we are gonna head over to a local pub that we like to go to for dinner. So maybe have a glass of wine and have a nice dinner. So I'll bring you guys along for that. And let me know if it's already fall where you're living. So currently in Ontario, it's warm still during the day, so definitely, you know, midday. We are still seeing kind of warm temperatures, but in the morning and in the evening, there's like that slight crispiness to the air. You can definitely feel fall in the air. So that's what we're gonna get up to today. And then I have some fun things planned later in September. We'll get into like apple picking and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, there's lots of fall content to come, and we'll get into like baking and everything later in the month as well. So don't forget to please like and subscribe to my channel. So I'm gonna go get dressed and bring you along, and we'll go check out the corn roast. The roasted corn is so good.